Hello everybody, welcome back to the vlog. We have a very special moment, I guess. We're camping! We got a nice tent set up. Here it is, a nice big old tent. Where's Priscilla? Hello! Hello!
Hello!
There's Maddie.
I'm going
Hi Maddie. And Drista.
There's a baby in my bed!
So let's do a little tent tour. So we come in through the doors. Hi everybody.
Hi everybody.
Maddie. Let's go into Maddie's room. This is Maddie's room. She's got her air mattress.
Show them your walkie-talkie, Maddie. Show them your walkie-talkie. This could go up to 10 miles.
Cool.
It's my favorite bed ever. You should show that on the video. Yeah. That's creepy.
What are you doing?
What was that?
And yeah, we got all your toys.
Is
Is this Chase's room over here?
Yeah.
This is Chase's room. Chase is inside playing his stuff. Right, you could lay on his bed.
I think
for now.
it's his iPad.
He's got a little chair over there. Like this is like all like decked out too. So, what's Priscilla doing? Priscilla, can I come in? Hello. Hello. Where'd she go?
I don't know. I don't see anything.
This is our room.
I don't see anything.
I think she's under this big mess on the blanket. Hello.
Or she?
Time to wake up. Rise and shine.
The time is 9!
The time is 9. So yeah, this is our tent. And yeah, we are kind of camping in the backyard because none of us have time to go out to an actual campground because I still have to work throughout the weekend, so it makes it convenient for me. But we have my sister's tent there, my other sister's tent there, effectively your tent. So it's basically the same tent as ours. Here's Nova. She's gonna trip on these wires. No beds in it.
Yeah.
But
It's just an empty tent.
here it is.
And shoes. Madison's shoes.
And shoes, yes. Maddie left her shoes in here. I'll take those out actually. And I got them. Oh. So, unfortunately, I will be working most of the weekend. I will basically be here in the evening hours. So, Priscilla's gonna have to handle most of the vlogging. Hopefully, she'll remember. I keep sending her texts today. Mind her.
Yeah.
Right? It is going to rain tonight, unfortunately, so we will have a bit of a problem. I guess either we'll spend time in the tents, in the house, or I just don't know. Someone's calling me. Stelly!
You want me to put away your chocolate milk?
Hey, baby.
That's why you called us over? Wow.
Hi! What are you doing? You want to get down?
Yeah.
Where's your shoes?
Don't know. It's a mystery.
Can you go through these in Maddie's room tent?
Yeah.
Wanna come? Alright. Say hi to the vlog, Stella. Are we camping? Are we camping?
Camping.
Oh, Chase made it out. Hi, Chase. Show us your room.
Hello! I have a little messed up.
Alright. I gotta go find something to eat. I'm hungry.
What I have a chair too. With my bed, with my pillows, and my snacks.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
You have a chair? Oh,
Oh no.
oh no.
Oh
It's
no.
gonna storm?
Yeah.
It's gonna
I hear thunder! You hear it?
Not really. Anyway,
Listen.
so now we are getting set up in the tents and it is raining. As you could probably hear, Priscilla heard thunder. But, so, yeah, we're just kind of, she's watching her show over there. I'm watching some Tim Tracker, get a tattoo done. Already have one beer down. But we're just getting settled down here. It is currently 5:22 p.m. So we're just kind of waiting the rain out for now.
Yeah, except
Chase, do you like camping?
Yeah.
Yeah? This is gonna be fun, right? We're gonna have a fun time camping.
And we're gonna have so much fun this weekend.
Yeah.
And the rain is taking forever.
I know, the rain is taking forever. It should be out of here in a few minutes.
I'm gonna actually carry when it's gonna end.
Yeah.
What time is it gonna end? 12.
12 minutes. There's a piece of hair hanging from my microphone. 12 minute. 12 minute! Hi, baby. You playing with the rackets? You playing with the rackets?
Jesse.
Chase, it stopped raining.
I know. Finally. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Alright, so it has stopped raining and we got a little bit of daylight left, so we're gonna try and burn some energy by the kids running around.
Chase and Maddie are playing Team Rocket and I'm trying to arrest them.
So go arrest them. Arrest the Chewbacca girl. You guys are funny.
Pickaxe! You can't I got one.
But it is getting chilly and I gotta go get me a jacket on.
I don't know where you came from. I don't know what you did to my heart. You touched my soul like a phantom, and you did it right from the start. Like nobody is watching what we're doing. Like nobody is watching.